Money pa rin at the end of the day.
Oo, kasi
Dapat.
that powers a lot of your solutions, a lot of your decisions in life, di ba?
Don't skip me, let's skip to the...
Good part.
What's your name?
My name's Nicole. Hi guys. Hello.
Okay. Nicole, what do you do?
I do a lot of things.
Yeah?
But primarily, I'm known for being a content creator nga,
Yeah.
like you said.
Yeah.
But I took a break, so parang medyo floating ang identity ko eh.
So what kind of content do you do?
I make content on personal finance, but I'm trying to expand it a bit more. So I want to cover more business type, adulting type. So still exploring also.
Why did you decide to do financial contents?
Siguro at the time, I was super interested in the topic. I was learning about it. And sabi naman nila, if you're gonna make content, it has to be something that you're super interested about. So at the time, it was that. So I just started with that. And siguro nag-click siya. A lot of people were interested also. And now we're here.
So how long has it been?
So I started creating content during the pandemic kasi wala akong magawa. 2020 yon. And I was like super focused on it for like 3 years, 2023.
Yeah.
Nag-break ako. Now I'm like getting back into it.
So just to go back, what's your background ba? Like what did you study in college?
Hindi siya related actually.
Ano?
Polsa eh.
Political science.
Yes.
Dapat lawyer ka ganon, something.
More or less, yeah. But I realized also I didn't want to go into law. Okay, if this is not gonna work out, I'm second year na.
Okay.
I at least need to find something that earns me money.
Okay, right.
Hindi ako...
Money pa rin at the end of the day.
Oo, kasi
Dapat.
that powers a lot of your solutions,
Correct.
a lot of your decisions in life, di ba?
Yeah.
Like, okay, at the end of the day, you have bills to pay, you have things to do. There are some people na alam nila talaga yung gusto nilang gawin eh. They have a calling. I'm not like that.
Yeah.
I feel like I can pretty much do everything because I'm interested in a lot of things.
Yeah.
So for me, I'm like, okay, I'll just figure out how I can earn money so I can do the things that I want to do.
What's your best advice for those people who are adulting in terms of sa finances nila? Saving, investing, becoming rich maybe?
Siguro, ang hirap no? Kasi even if I want to do something very specific, since maraming nanonood, it's really more taking it one step at a time.
Yeah.
Ang hirap kasi ngayon na nakita mo ang daming tao na sobrang successful, may business na sila,
Yeah.
ganitong age, ang dami nag-freelance na sila, ang yaman
pressure,
na nila.
no?
Ka-pressure eh. And for someone starting out, that can be super, like you feel a bit sad, you feel a bit demotivated kasi how can I ever catch up?
Right.
But then in this time and age, there's so many things that you can figure out na so many things can happen in like 6 months, 1 year, no? Kailangan mo i-focus lang talaga. And I'm the type na, if I'm gonna build something, hindi ko siya yung parang 50-50, nakafocus ako, gusto ko ba talaga gawin ito? You have to decide na, no, 100%, in the next 6 months, ito talaga yung gagawin ko eh. Ito yung, I'm gonna grind in
Committed.
this career, I'm gonna learn about this skill, I'm gonna build this business. 6 months to 1 year, focus na nga dun. And I feel like 9 times out of 10, it will get successful, or if it doesn't succeed and it fails, you learn something super beneficial from it.
Okay.
And I feel like ganun lang talaga in this day and age na sarili mong pace can feel a bit demotivating
Yeah.
kasi everyone successes, but you do your own thing. Just
Correct.
try to focus on your own things. Build it the best that you can.
Right.